Hey guys, Coop here. Let's make a bracelet. Now this here little bracelet is JD's, one of JD's newest ones. It's his Lionheart Sinnet. It's basically just a variation of his zipper Sinnet. It's a pretty nice little knot. I like it. There's the back side of it. Fairly simple, and it just adds another piece to your inventory. So if you guys just bear with me, we'll get on with the show. First of all, I've got my half hitch, lark's head, cow's hitch, whatever you want to call it. Right there on my bottom buckle. I snap it into my jig. I come up, take my two cords through the top, come out through the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to cinch it off first. We're going to take left side, wrap it around on itself just like that. We're going to grab the back side of it, pull it down tight, pinch it, and hold it. Now pull your knot up tight, and that locks down, makes our core nice and tight on that side. Do the same thing on the right side. Through the middle, around the other side, just like so. Pull your back tight, pinch it, pull it all down tight. Now you're ready to start. All right, basically just like I said, it's the zipper Sinnet with an extra cord added. We're going to take left side, we're going to wrap it around all the cords, pull it back in on itself just like so. Then we're going to take the green, we're going to come right across the top of it. Now we're going to take the right side, we're going to go through the loop, across the core, under the core, out the loop on the other side. Should look just like that, guys. Now we're going to take this one and pull her down tight. Take this cord, snug it up. Take this cord, give it a little snug. Don't want to pull too hard or you'll yank it through the other side. Alright, now that side's done. Now we're going to take the green on the right side. We're going to bring it right across everything. Going to take the left side, go through the loop, across the top of the core, right through the back side. Should look just like that. Take the right side, cinch it down. Pull tight. Pull your other one tight. First series of knots are completed. Alright guys, I think you're getting the hang of it. Let's go ahead, we'll do a couple of more and then I'll pause you and we'll pick back up at the end. Across the core, through the hole, out the other side. And I just messed that one all up, didn't I? Got ahead of myself. Left side, over. Right side, over the cord. Under the core. Out the hole on the other side. Pull your left side down tight. Pull your cords and your cords. Now we take the right side, cross it over. Left side, over the top, around, and out. Make sure you keep your loop. Cinch it down. Cinch it down. And we keep pushing up as always. We'll do one more round of knots. I'll pause you here and we'll pick up at the end. Alright guys, I think you got the hang of it. We'll pick back up at the end. Okay guys, now that we're down to the end, you may need some fids. You get a little bit of shorter on real estate down here on the bottom. So let's go ahead and finish it up. Take the green over, take the orange on the right side, cross the hop, around the back, pull your slack. You slack down, you slack down. And repeat the process. Right side green over now. Left side orange goes through the hole, over the crop, around the back, out the other side. Pull your right side down tight. This is a fairly simple knot, guys. It's not real hard. I'm sure you guys will pick it up real quick and easy. And we'll do this one. Right side over, left side, through the loop, through the loop. Make sure you keep your loop out. And I did that one backwards. Left side, right side, through the hole, around the back, out the other side. Pull your slack down, pull it down tight, pull all your slack out. Keeping everything nice and tight. Now it's going to be pretty simple. We're just going to take the right side, loop it over. Going to take the left side, come through the hole, back around, underneath, pull the right side down tight, left side down tight, your green, pull everything down nice and tight. Now this time we're just going to take this loop and we're just going to snug it on down. Just like that. And to lock these two off, I just take my fids off. Do a simple Solomon right on the end. That'll lock these two down really nice. And dress up that knot. Alright. Now we have a completed bracelet. Let's go ahead and cut and singe. Real simple. You guys know how to do this. Just cut, 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 and cut. Try and do it as lightly as you can, guys. You don't want to burn your bracelet after you just spend all that time working on it. And our last one. Mash it down in there nice and tight. And there you have it, guys. One lion's heart Sinnet. Alright guys and gals, you can put your comments and questions down below. I'll be more than happy to answer anything you post. As always, I appreciate you watching my videos. Appreciate you supporting my channel. Means a lot to me. You guys all know we've got the Facebook page up and going, along with Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter, along with Swampville Craftables. You guys go over and join us on one of them, all of them, or none of them. It's entirely up to you. And with all that being said, my friends, links will all be down below. Coop's pretty much going to say, Coop out.